Greetings to my constituents of the deaf and hard of hearing community in the state of Rhode Island. I have some, very important news I would like to share with you on an updated alert that we have received from the Rhode Island Department of Health dated January 3rd in connection with the COVID levels in the state of Rhode Island pertaining to the counties. Now, historically, since September, Rhode Island has basically been at the low level, which was the color green. However, now they have escalated to a different color, 1 in yellow, 3 in orange. All right, the 2 counties that are in yellow are medium alert, which is Bristol County and Washington County. While the 3 counties that are in high alert are Newport, Providence, and Kingston are officially now on high alert with the Rhode Island Department of Health, as you can see on the chart above me. So now, what is it that we are to do? Well, as always, we should always follow the CDC recommendations. Now, for the following counties of Bristol and Washington County, it is important that we be updated with our vaccines and our boosters. Now, speaking of the booster, make sure that the booster is one of the most recent one that came out, which is the bivalent booster, which became available after September 1st of 2022. Now, if you received the booster before that date and haven't had the new booster after that, I encourage you strongly to contact your primary care physician to get the bivalent booster. Be up to date with that. Second, it is recommended that you stay at home if you are feeling sick, or if you have family members who are sick, or your children are sick. Make sure that you stay at home. Do not go to work. Do not send your kids to school. Do not go shopping, or etc. Because right now we are in the midst of the winter season, which we have 3 different types of viruses going around. Okay, we have COVID, we have RSV, and also the influenza virus. Okay, so that's a bad combination. So if you're feeling sick and not feeling well, stay home. If you are feeling, symptoms that you think that you may be positive, do a self-at-home test assessment, or go to your local pharmacy like CVS or Walgreens to be tested there, or go to your primary care physician to make sure that you're not positive, okay, and that you remain negative. And the 4th thing that they want you to do is that if you have young children who go to daycare, it is critically important, imperative, that if they are sick or tested positive, do not send your kids off to daycare. Keep them at home. And the reason why is because if you send them to the daycare, you're going to, spread that contagious virus to others. Okay, we want to try to keep the minimum levels of what we got now there. Now, the 3 high counties, which are Kent County, Newport, and Providence County, you follow the same 4, recommendations that the CDC said. However, you are encouraged to be masking up at all times, especially indoors. For example, if you're going to the grocery store, you're attending school, church gathering for services, indoor sports arena, theater, and so forth, it is strongly recommended that you wear a mask to protect yourselves and to protect others, because many people are going to be congregated in these type of settings. Now, outdoors, you don't have to wear that, and you should, it's not a recommendation, but indoors you should. Those are the 4 recommendations that the CDC and the Rhode Island Department of Health have stated. Okay, and I will send you a flyer emphasizing those recommendations. And the picture looks like the one that's over my shoulder here. In the meantime, remain safe, stay well, and protect yourself as well as others during this winter season. Thank you.